Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to talk about the workflow I shown you in the last video where I was discussing about how you can use n8n for free. In this video we'll go through that workflow in detail and we'll understand step by step how it is actually working and how we can create our CV and cover letter automatically by using just a link from the job which we get online. So let's jump directly into my screen now. So you can see workflow in my screen now. It's starting actually from the trigger node here. And then once it get triggered, how we get triggered, we'll discuss in later step, but we understand what happened once it get triggered. So it is the whole workflow here, you can see. And once it get triggered, it try to get data from the Google Sheet, which we have linked here. And how it get information. First of all, if you don't know how we can set a node, in order to set a node, you first have to give your credentials. And how you get credentials, I described here step by step in my sticky note. That in order to use this workflow, you first have API key for the Google Sheet, Google Docs, and Open Router. So for Google Sheet and Google Doc, you don't need a separate key, but you need a client ID and client secret, which you can get from this link. When we click on this link, we go to the Google Cloud console, and there you can create a simple project from here. I already created it by job ID, and from there you can activate the API from here. And once you get activate it, your credentials will be here, and you generally create a new credentials here, and then you will find your client ID from this website. So this is your client ID, and client secret will be here. Just copy it and paste it in the node here. I can show you here, and you just have to connect it with the Google by just clicking on it, and then it will directly connect it. Once it gets connected, it can access everything from your Google Sheet, then Google Docs as well. So you have the rights to choose what it can access. Then we go further. So from this node, it can access your Google Sheet. And in the next step, here you can see there is a loop over. The loop over is actually for the different job links. So it depends how many job links you have in your Google Sheet. For example, I have only one here, but it only gets triggered when I add new one. I will show you example in a couple of minutes. So we go back to our workflow. It actually go all the job links you have listed there, and try to see for which job link the CV or cover letter is not created yet, and try to create the CV and cover letter in next step. As you can see in next step, it checks, as I just mentioned, if CV or cover letter is created for the given link or not. If it's created, then it will just loop over. If it's not, then it go further with this node here, and I gave this node name as get web data from job site. So it try to open that job link and try to extract all the data from that job link. We go to the next node. It's called extract job data from job site. It actually uses the free AI model. I didn't use ChatGPT or other AI model which actually cost money every time you use it, and I don't want to pay money. That's why I'm using free model, and actually free model can handle this kind of small tasks. So we don't actually need to care about money here. So this AI agent can extract the important information from the job site we have listed, and then it go to the next node, which is merge. So it actually merging with this extract data from CV. So actually we want to give additional data, which is our current CV. So it extract information from our current CV and try to merge it with the extracted job data from the job site, and then it will pass through these two AI agent here. So one is cover letter writer, second one is a CV writer. So let's see a cover letter writer. It is the same as this AI agent here. It also use a free AI model here, and then it use all the information from our current CV and also from the job data and try to create a new cover letter which is tailored and using all the keywords which are needed for the job role, as same as here as well in the CV writer. There is also a free AI model which use all the information from the job data and your current CV and try to create a new CV based on your job description and your current CV, which is also saved in these Google Docs and also in this Google Sheet. Once it's done, then it also go back to the Google Sheet again and loop over if there are more links, and for those links, if cover letter and CV is not created, then you try to create again, and then it will finish once all the rows are filled up. Now I will give you one small example here. So as you can see in my screen, for example, I open LinkedIn here and I want to apply for this job, for example, then I will just simply click on this job. And more specifically, if you click on this job here, you will redirect to the job page in LinkedIn, and you don't need to copy whole link here, but just the link until the job ID. So I'm copying it now, and then you will paste it here in job link column and hit enter. Once you hit enter, you can see in your workflow executions that a new execution should be started automatically here. So as you can see, it's already started. So they are running two, but actually there is one. There is a small bug here. So you might have to wait a couple of seconds here. And if you want to use this time, then you can look for other job. And this workflow can not only work with LinkedIn, but also it can work with all the platforms. For example, there is a job here in LinkedIn, and let's say you don't want to use LinkedIn, but you want to use some company's portal for. And if I give you example here for that, let's click on like one of the job here, and if it redirect us to the directly the company portal, which is for example here. So just think we are not using LinkedIn anymore, but we are using direct company portal, and you want to create CV and a new cover letter for this job. Then just copy the whole link for this job, paste it here. But yeah, before pasting it, just check the previous execution is finished. For example, we can see here if it's finished or not. Let it give some time to refresh. Yeah, it already finished. It finished in 1 minute and 37 seconds. Let's try to paste this link here, and let's see if the execution is running again with the new link. Yeah, and as you can see, it's running. And you can also see in this Google Sheet that for this job link, the new cover letter and new CV is automatically created. So if you want to download this cover letter, then just go to this Google Docs here, which is here, and just click on the file and download as a PDF, and then you have your new CV. So and you can also make changes here according to you. For example, if you don't want to add address, you just delete the address and make changes according to you, and then just download as a PDF and you can use it directly. This is also same for the CV. So you can see here, just if you don't want to use this template, but if you are using other template, for example, Flow CV, then just get the information from here, copy it and directly paste it there, and then you have a new data for your CV, and then you can download it from the platform, and then you can directly use it for a job you want to apply. Now let's go back to the workflow again, and you can see this is still running or might be finished. Let's get it refreshed. Okay, so it already finished in 1 minute and 23 seconds. Let's see in this Google Sheet, and you can see the cover letter and CV is added for that job site. As I explained you before, you can use it directly from here or from the Google Docs, or you can copy from here and try to use it in the other platform, for example Flow CV or Flow cover letter, and you can download it from there as well, and you can edit as well. This was all about this workflow here. In future, I will make individual videos for each node, how to set up that node, how to set up the API key for that node, and how you can use that node differently, and so on. So hopefully you like this video, and if you like it, then please hit the like button. If you have any question or if you want any specific video, then write the comment below. And do not forget to subscribe my channel, and please do share with your friends so they can also learn new things. See you in the next video. Bye.